Welcome to Simply Street Bikes. Today we have this 2009 Kawasaki Ninja EX250R. It's red in color. I believe it has about 4,500 miles here. I'll show you the exact mileage in a second. Bike's in great condition. No signs of ever being down or dropped. About the only aftermarket edition are these Ninja style frame sliders, which are kind of neat. It actually says Ninja on them. Good tread left on the tires. No rips or tears in the seat. Show you the exact mileage here. So 4,465 miles. So low mileage. Good little bike. This is a 250cc carbureted bike. I believe it's a single or a twin. Can't remember. It's a twin. And there we go. All right, let's start this bad boy up. Fires right up. She revs just fine. So there you have it. It's 2009. Kawasaki Ninja EX250R, red in color, 4,465 miles on it. Only aftermarket edition is the frame sliders. If you have any further questions, any more information, contact us through our website at simplystreetbikes.com, or you can go ahead and give us a phone call at 952-941-0774. This bike here does come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting Simply Street.